Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. This is the second part of our learning cycle for mathematics. Okay, so this is just a brief overview, but basically it's pretty much the same as the last learning cycle, where we will be creating a math assessment through these learning activities, and then we will design a learning activity that will help us build towards being successful in the assessment. So the first thing you'll be doing is you'll be choosing your standard as before. You'll be doing some activities on Flipgrid, and here's some instructions for you to build your assessment, which is going to be a little bit different than the last one. So you might want to be checking out that Google document to look into it. And then you'll create your assessment and give some feedback on others. Now, note that when you do create your learning activity for that assessment, or to build towards that assessment, the assessment is very different than the learning activity. This is called backwards design. In backwards design, what we do is we want to choose our standard, so we know exactly what do we want our students to be successful in. Then we're going to decide, what does it look like if our students are successful in achieving that standard or being skillful in that standard. Then we design learning activities that are going to build us towards being successful in that assessment. So don't make sure that your learning activity isn't exactly your assessment. Rather, it's a different activity that will help students be able to gain the skills of that standard so that they could eventually later on be successful in the assessment that you design. This helps us to make sure that what we're teaching is exactly what we need to be teaching, so that we can create authentic assessments where students can definitely be successful in what exactly we're assessing them. So at the end of the week, you'll also be reflecting on this full learning cycle of mathematics with a bridge, with closing your bridge and transferring your learning into, or how you're going to be transferring your learning into your future classroom. And of course, please do give me feedback at the end of the week. All right, well, thank you very much. I really look forward to seeing how creative everyone's going to be on their assessments and their learning activities. And I'll be in touch if you have any questions. Okay, bye.